How to hide LinkedIn profile from everyone. Let's get started. Launch your LinkedIn app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, navigate to the profile icon given at the top left corner. Click on it. Head over to the options settings. Here you're going to find a fun option. Click on the option visibility. Now from here you are able to hide LinkedIn profile from everyone. Select the option profile viewing option. You can set it to private mode. Once you set it to private mode, it will disable who's viewed your profile and erase your viewer history. You can head back and customize other options given over here as well, such as page visit visibility. You can enable or disable this option. Likewise, who can see or download your email address. You can set it to only visible to me. You can head back. Who can see your connection. You can toggle off this option. So this way you can easily hide LinkedIn profile from everyone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.